Okay, good day everyone. We are here to present you our topic, the charge timeout and media timeout, and the other one which is the cancel of play or score and substitution. So me and Obao will discuss and explain to you how does the hand signals will perform and what are the definitions of this one. So let's proceed.
Good day, everyone. I'm here to discuss the charge timeout and media timeout with its referee hand signals according to FIBA. So let's start with the charge timeout. So a charge timeout is a regular timeout requested by a team coach or team captain and granted by the referee. So it has the three rules, which is each team of the game is they have two timeouts in the first half, three timeouts in the second half, and one timeout in each overtime. So it can only be requested when the ball is dead and the game clock is stopped. So a charge in timeout means it is counted against the team allowed timeout. So let's have a sample scenario of the charge timeout. So in the 2 minutes in a fourth quarter game, let's say si Team A is napildi og 3 points. And then, ang team captain is ni-sign sa ilang coach, nihatag og sign sa ilang coach nga mo charge timeout. And then, ang ilang coach kay ni kanang ni hatag og hand sign sa referee for them nga kanang like nias og permission nga mag-granted sila og timeout since napildi man sila points and that time is dead ball or stop ang oras ato. So, and the referee granted them the timeout para makaplano sila para ma-regain nila ang ilang 3 points nga na kuan sa second half. And the next timeout is the media timeout. So, a media timeout, um, different siya sa charge timeout is because ang media timeout from the word media, it is a pre-scheduled timeout taken during games that are being broadcast to allow for commercial breaks. So, from the word itself, media, ipakita ni siya sa TV or kanang for commercial breaks. And its key points is the media timeout occurs once per quarter. So at the first dead ball after the 5-minute mark, if the team called for timeout is kanang near sa point nga ilahang kanang nangayo sila timeout, so it can be used for a media timeout since let's say nga for 58 sila nangayog timeout. So, since ang media timeout kay last man siya 75 seconds, so it can be considered as media timeouts. And ang media timeouts compared siya sa charge timeout kay ang media timeout it could only be used when ang game is kanang TV. Ipa-show siya sa TV. If normal lang nga game, walay media nga involved, so dili ra siya kanang necessary or dili ra kay siya makita nga hand signal. Then let's have a sample scenario of media timeout. Let's have a third quarter sa duwa na like same nga FIBA game or kana nga di TV nga FIBA game. Then niabot og oras ang duwa ay ngayo og timeout while ang oras sa duwa is 4:58 unya kanang na out of kuan baron ang bola. So since ang bola is dead ball na ana, mo-consider na siya dead ball, bisag wala pa nakahuman og or wala pa nakaabot og 5 minutes, ang referee ana is pwede na siya mo call og media timeout kung ang authority ana is mo hatag og sign sa referee. So, pwede na siya una nga dead ball timeout since kuan na siya kanang naka-pre-scheduled sa authority. And let's move on to the kanang hand signals or hand symbols sa referee. So let's have the charge timeout first. So ang hand signal sa charge timeout is ang referee first is mo pito and mo raise a hand, which means nga i-stop ang time, and then mohatag og symbol or hand signal nga T nga nag-indicate og charge timeout. Next one is the media timeout. So the media timeout, the referee extend its arms and clench ang fingers, which kanang mo calls ang referee pito isa, the same nya isa ang hands to stop the time and i-extend dayon ang both hands with clenched ang fist. So let's watch a short clip video sa duha, charge timeout and media timeout, for further understand the kanang hand signals. So as you can see, the referee there kanang nahatag siya og kanang T nga porma sa iyang kamot, as I demonstrate or sa visual representation namo. So that is the example of hard charge timeout. Next is the media timeout.
We have a media timeout on the floor. We have a media timeout on the floor. Media timeout on the floor.
So anong nagihatag sa video na after the message will be right back. So that is one of the example of immediate timeout in a basketball game.
Okay, so let's proceed to the second topic, which is the cancel of play or cancel of score and the substitution. So what is a cancel play? So it refers to a situation where a play is stopped, so pahunungon ang duwa, or nullified due to a violation, foul, or error before the action counts. So basically, para masabtan, kuan ni siya ang kaning cancel play is kanang di ba nagduwa ang mga players, then mo shoot man sila, then ang referee is mo hatag siya hand signals, then ang kanang hand signals is mao na ang situation is diha ma-stop ang duwa. So as the example here, a player makes a 3-point shot, but just before the shot, before siya naka-shot, the referee calls on offensive foul and the play is cancelled and the basket does not count. So ang kaning cancel play is kuan ni siya kanang naka-shoot si player, which is 3 points, but before siya naka-shoot is ni signal na daan si referee. While the cancel score, on the other hand, this occurs when a made basket or free throw is disallowed due to a rule violation or referee error. So example here, a player scores a layup, but after review, it's determined that the shot was taken after the shot clock expired. The score is cancelled and removed from the scoreboard. So basically, ang kalahian lang aning cancel play and cancel score is, ang cancel play is naka-score siya 3-point shot. And before ana is kuan kanang ni hatag na dayog hand signal si referee, so which means is na-cancel na-cancel ang duwa since na may kanang violation or foul, while the cancel score is nakascore si ang player, which is na record, pero na violate man, so ang score niya is i-cancel. So instead of example, ang score gikan is 8 and naka 3 points man, so which is na imong 9, 10, 11, so na record 11, pero na may mistake or kanang na violate man, so gi-remove. So instead of 11 gibalik og 8, while sa cancel play is ni siya kanang wala pa na record ang score, so nagstay ra gyapon siya 8, so wala siya nahimong 11. So while sa cancel score is gi-remove siya, mura nang kalayan, but actually same man ni sila. Kanang cancel play og cancel score same man ni siya, kanang ang kalahian lang nila is ang pagkuan sa score remove. So let's proceed sa iyang hand signals. So here are the hand signals. So as you can see here, scissor like action with arms. So inyo lang imagine nga mura siya scissor. So from here, so ako lang i-demonstrate. So wait, so mo ni siya ana, tapos ana siya. So maura na yung hand signal. So which means nga murag ma-stop bito, i-cancel from the word cancel. So i-cancel ang play or ang cancel ang score. So maura na siya. And let's now proceed sa second one, which is the substitution. It happens when a player is replaced by another player on the court. This usually happens during stoppages in play. And for example, after a foul is called and a whistle is blown, a coach sends in a new player. The referee waves the sub in and the player being replaced exits the court. So ang kaning substitution, from the word itself, substitute. So ang player, which is the current player nga nagduwa sa court, is i-replace siya og new player. So simply replace lang sila, nag-ilis or nag-switch. So ang rules ani is substitutions are only allowed during dead ball situations, and the referee must approve the sub before the player enters. So moagi pa og approval ni referee, no. So dili ta kabot-buot kung kinsa ang mo so dito sa court dito. So need pag-approve or si referee ang magbuot kung kinsa iyang pasudlon ug kinsa pod iyang papahuwayon. And player must check in at the scorer's table. So ang kaning substitution mao ni ang iyang hand signals. So the first one is mo pipip man no, or mo whistle, then mo raise ang hand, and tapos mo X siya, murag mo X yang hand. So ang kaning X og hand is mura ni siya na points out sa katong current player nga naa sa court, ang nagduwa. Mo na ang pasabot niya. Ang kaning beckoning in is nagpoint ni siya sa new player, which is naa sa outside sa court or katong naglingkod sa kilid. So as you can see here, mura siya kanang gipasod niya ang kanang new player. So as you can see, anaw na ni siya magana. And then so let's proceed na sa short video. So sa ganiha, which is the cancel score and cancel play, is wala may video na provide since wala man makakita sa YouTube or wala may source na kuha. Pero mo lang ni siya, mo lang ni ang iyang symbol. So simply lang jud cancel. So let's proceed na sa video sa substitution beckoning in.
Nope, I don't think he got hit. Good job, guys. I don't think there was a foul on the three. I don't think there was a foul on the shot. Gave the ball back to red.
So as you can see here the video, ang ang referee, ang sa dire lang nga part is wala siya ni X. Kabantay mo atong X nga signal, ditso ra siya og beckoning in. And as you can see, nagmura siya nag-point kamay, which is kani. So murag nag-point siya someone nga naa sa current player. And tapos ni kuan siya, nilingin siya dito sa side, which is kuan, nagpoint siya og new player, then nagbeconing in siya. As you can see sa iyang hand, is murag nagpasod siya og new player, which is kani siya. So kinsa man ang gi-replace? So ang kaning naka-purple nga sinina. So simply switching ra ni silang duha, substitution mo niyang kuan, switching or replacing a player. So mo na siya. So let's proceed sa next video. So we provided also a video nga unsaon ang proper way sa pag-beckoning in. So let's watch.
So you're beckoning in sub, right? This is substitution. Substitution, beckon them in. Make sure our beckon in is inviting. Don't sneak them in the back door. Here, pull them to you. Let's use the left hand too for practice the left as well.
So as you can see here, ang kuan ang point ni sir is ang kanisiya is ang unsaon pag proper way sa pag-beckoning in, which is kanang pasudlon ang new player.
So you're beckoning in sub, right? This is sub.
So simply kuan kanang dapat straight ang imong hand. So you can see no, naka formal yang hand og kuan, then anao ni siya. Dili lang kay mura siya imong murag informal bitaw nga murag informal bitaw yung pag-invite sa player like this one or this one kanang murag giana. So sayop to siya. So ang proper way is inani, naka formal or straight ang iyang hand. So mo na siya. So that's all guys. Mao ni among topic, which are the two, itong media timeout, the charge
Media
timeout,
timeout, charge,
and the cancel of play,
cancel.
cancel of score, and the substitution. Thank you.
Thank you.